Halstead's Software Science. Maurice Halstead was one of the first researchers in software metrics. His goal was to identify what contributed to the complexity in software. Now, there are some basic entities. The basic entities include operators and operands. Suppose when we consider the expression a plus b, in this expression a and b are the operands and plus is the operator. A and b are the operands and plus is the operator. The basic approach that gave Halstead good results was to consider any program to be a collection of tokens. Any program is a collection of tokens. Which he classified as either operators or operand. Now, operands were tokens that had a value. Typically, variables and constants were operands. Operator. Anything else was considered as operator, thus comma, parenthesis, arithmetic operators, plus, minus, and so on, brackets, were all considered as operators. All tokens that always appear as a pair, triple, and so on will be considered as one occurrence of the token parameters. Now, the basic measures which were considered in Halstead's software science. Basic measures were eta 1 and eta 2. Eta 1 is equal to the count of unique operators in a program. and eta 2 was the count of unique operands in a program. Therefore, eta is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2. These were the basic measures used. The total count of unique tokens is eta. The total count of the unique tokens is eta. So, we have seen eta is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2. This is the basic measure of the size of the program. Now, next we consider example. Example is identify the unique operators and operands in the following code that does multiplication by repeated addition. So, z is equal to 0 semicolon while x is greater than 0, z is equal to z plus y, x is equal to x minus 1, and while print z. Now, we have to consider which are the operators and which are the operands. So, the operands in this code are z, 0, x, y and 1, z, 0, x, y and 1. These are the operands z, 0, x, y and 1. Now, the operators include is equal to semicolon, while and while, greater than, plus symbol, minus symbol, print, open close parenthesis. So, these are the operators. Now, the first metric that we study today is Halstead's length. length is denoted by n. The basic measure is the total count of the operators n1 and the total count of the operands n2. The next basic measure is the total count of the operators n1 and the total count of the operands n2. These are summed to get the length of the program in tokens. So, therefore, n is equal to n1 plus n2. In the next example, I will calculate Halstead's length for the same code. So, the example is calculate Halstead's length for the code which is z equal to 0 while x is greater than 0, z is equal to z plus y semicolon, x is equal to x minus 1 semicolon, and while print z semicolon. So, this is the code. Now, here we observe the occurrence of the operator, and the operators here are is equal to semicolon, while and while, greater than, plus, minus, print and open close parenthesis. These are the operators. So now next we will make a table of all the operators and their occurrence. So operators and occurrence. Now the first operator is equal to, so in this code it is appearing 3 times. Semicolon is appearing 5 times. And while and end while and while is appearing only once. Greater than is appearing once. Plus and minus are also appearing once. Print is appearing once. Open close bracket is appearing once. So the total count is equal to 14. Total is equal to 14. Next, we observe the occurrence of operands. So in the first column we take operands and in the second column we take the occurrence of the operands. So we have the operand Z, then 0, then X, Y and 1. Z is appearing 4 times. 0 is appearing 2 times. X is appearing 3 times. Y is appearing once. And 1 is appearing once. So the total is equal to 11. The total is 11 in this case. So we have n1 is equal to 14 and the value of n2 is equal to 11. Now we have n is equal to n1 plus n2, n is equal to n1 plus n2. So the value of n therefore is equal to 14 plus 11, which is equal to 25. Next we compute the estimate of the length. Estimate of the length. The estimate of the length is the most basic Halstead's prediction formulas. Based on the estimate of the number of operands and operators that will be used in the program, this formula allows an estimate of the actual size of the program in terms of token. Now it is given by the formula estimate of n is equal to eta 1 multiplied by log eta 1 base 2 plus eta 2 multiplied by log of eta 2 base 2. Now we have already computed eta 1 and eta 2. So value of eta 1 is 8 and value of eta 2 is 5. So we have log of 8 base 2 which is equal to 3 and we have log of 5 base 2 which is equal to 2.32. These are the values. Now we need to substitute it in the formula so that we will get estimate of n is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2.32. So that we get estimate of n is equal to 24 plus 11.6 which is equal to 35.6. Now this is the estimated value of n, whereas the actual value of n, the actual n is 25. This would be considered borderline, therefore it is probably not a bad approximation for such a small program. Next we shall consider about the volume. Next measure is volume V. Halstead thought of volume as a 3D measure when it is really related to the number of bits it would take to encode the program that is being measured. It is given by the formula V is equal to n multiplied by log of eta 1 plus eta 2 base 2. For example, V will be equal to 25 multiplied by log of 13 base 2, which is equal to 25 multiplied by 3.7, which is equal to 92.5. The volume gives the number of bits which are necessary to encode that many different values. This number is hard to interpret. Next, the next metric is potential volume. Potential volume V star. V star is equal to 2 plus eta 2 star log of plus eta 2 star log base 2, where eta 2 star is the minimal number of operands. The next metric is implementation level. L is equal to V star upon V. This relates to how close the current implementation is to the minimal implementation as measured by the potential volume. Next measure is effort. The effort required to implement the algorithm E is equal to V upon L. Halstead's effort is not monotonic. In other words, there are programs such that if you add statements, the calculated effort decreases. So this is the case with Halstead matrix. Time t, the time taken to implement the algorithm, the time taken to implement the algorithm. T is equal to E upon S, where E is the effort required and S is the Stroud number. Halstead used 18 EMD per second as the value of S. So these are all the metrics related to software, Halstead's software science. Thank you.